Okay guys, in the previous video I told you to stay long as we're before this fib channel line right here. By the way, they just minted 1 billion USDT. Typically when that happens, they're going to push price up. We have some liquidity above around 95K. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you free access to this chart. It's a cut down version. I want you to see for yourself how these charts work out. As I said in this video, I'll link up to it now. I said when we cross this line, I said that is the point you will go short, but they will probably push price up again to take out that liquidity. So as you can see, I have a cut down version right here. So I'm going to give you the address. This is a live version. So if you put in that address, you can get access to this chart. Again, your critical resistance above is going to be right up here where this fib line is. Actually, let me put a line here to show what I'm talking about. This line right here, this is your most critical resistance just above on the H1 chart. But as I said, stay long before this white line right here. We could push all the way up to 96,658. That maybe that's point you short, but I'm waiting until we cross this point. When we cross this fib channel line, as I said before, every time we cross the fib channel line, we get a drop, we get a drop, we get a drop. Notice we came down, we were finding support on this red line right here. We broke it, found support right on this fib channel line and this fib line right here. So when we cross this line, whether it's lower, down here, or up here, when we cross it, that's the point I will open to short. So I'm going to give you access to this chart. Before I do that, guys, we get a leverage trading. Coincatch is great options, no KYC. If you want to sign up, that link's pinned in the first comment description. It's a tutorial video I put up teaching you how to trade. If you want to watch this video, I'll put a link up to it now. So let me give you that link, guys. So if you want to just type this in, it's right here. You should be able to see it. So it's tradingview.com/chart/1 capital F 9 capital H R capital Q N capital N, and that should give you access to this live chart. And wait and see what happens. Every time you hit this line, you go long, but as soon as you get hourly opens past this line, that'd be a point to open a scalp short. So just to let you see how these play out, and these are your support levels below. As you can see, it's just a cut down version of this chart. It gives you your resistance level above. It gives you this line right here that I'm waiting for us to cross, where we found support, and some of your support levels below. And keep in mind, guys, like I said, right now the CME, the highest it went so far is 94,735. We're starting to get a retrace. As I said, we have liquidity. I mean, we have a gap all the way down to 77,935. I'm not saying we have to hit that anytime soon, but it's a target to pay attention to. And the BLX, as I said, watch the previous video. We could get stuck underneath this, and again, watch the previous video. I went in detail about it. But let's at least watch this chart play out and see what happens. We could push up. Again, they just minted a bunch of USDT, so we could push up more. But I'm waiting to open my short when we cross this line. And you have the address if you want to get access to this live chart right now. I say, guys, if you want to sign up, get access to the charts in Discord. The website's opticrypto.com. If you do sign up, make sure you email me the contact. Click on the contact page to email me to get an invite link to Discord. I say, guys, trade safe, trade smart. I'm out.